Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kajing yalang jongka kenhon menteri ke Sarkar Jilla hakakat arterik leber arhajar arpo kala menjur banwanra daga Meghalaya Drugs Abuse Prevention Policy Draft nagabenta ban kanglat ya kajing jillai jong udrok haka Jilla. Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla James P.K. Sangma kajing keren bat kilat patai kubor hadin balawa kajing yalang ulaong bahado menta ke Jilla kampat don ya ke Drug Abuse Policy bat ong ru bakani ke day kajing bat kajing ma ka bakraw ya ke Jilla kamtam ya ki samla lada omla ban telakam hakapor ke babiang.
This is because we do not have presently a drug abuse policy, and this is a very serious problem which is plaguing society and the state of Meghalaya and especially our youth. So therefore it was felt that we need to have a drug policy, and this drug abuse prevention policy 2020 has been proposed and has been also accepted by the cabinet, and this draft has come into effect from today. Meghalaya Drug Abuse Prevention Policy 2020 has been brought about because there is a very big growing concern about drug abuse, and the fact that we need to have a specific government policy to tackle this, because the drug menace is not just about catching peddlers, and it's much more that is required. A concerted effort is required for it, and therefore it is in line with this. The government has decided to come out with this policy so that we can tackle this menace in a better and coordinated manner. So it's a very comprehensive policy, I must say, and there are many aspects to it, like prevention, like treatment, like aftercare, capacity building and training for those who are in this field. There's a lot of study and research which is required. Then there's a component for the strengthening of the drug supply reduction strategy. Then also for policy implementation and coordination mechanisms to also make sure that the fast track courts and special courts have a more stronger and bigger role to play, and also the constitution of a committee for it in the implementation of the policy. So then also it also talks about the mechanism for monitoring and evaluation. So it's a very comprehensive policy. This is just a policy, right? The policy just states that there is a need for such kind of centers. To go into the nitty-gritties of how many of these kind of rehabilitation centers needs to be set up, that's of course a follow-up of the policy.
Hakawai perkaliang ula pentip ru baka kenhon menteri kala menjur ya ka Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Meghalaya Workers Bill Arhajar Arpo bat ong ru baka ni ka bill kalong ban pentikina bakan don ya ka kendon na kabenta ban register ya ki nong tray berlabo per ki bawan na ki wei ki jaka.
This is an agenda which was brought by the Labour Department, and this is just thank you. So this is something to make sure that there is a legislation to provide for mandatory registration of all types of migrant workmen, proper keeping of the records by these specified authorities, which will also issue identity cards to each migrant worker in the state. The purpose of this is to ensure also the safety and security of the migrant workers, and in case of harassment or offences will facilitate necessary legal intervention by the concerned authorities of the state government. So the draft Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Bill 2020 was brought to the cabinet, After discussions, this was approved by the cabinet.